everybody. I'm going to show you how to make a few things. Okay. This is how you make a desk for Lalaloopsy. You can make it bigger for an American Girl doll. You just get a shoe box and then put the shoe that it came in right there. And then the top on top, and then the top on top of it. And then here's how to make a chair. You get some cardboard and a little box and tape them with some duct tape. And my sister taped it for me. And then this is how to make a book. You get some cardboard. And then you tape some duct tape on it. And then you put paper in it and then you decorate it. And this is how to make a sink. You get a little box, cut up a little cup, cut a hole in put the box in the cup in the cup, the cup in the box, and then this is how to make this part of it. You get a little paper clip or a little piece of a wire, and then that's how to make a sink. Thank you.